In most states, rabies vaccine is required no matter where your pets live. This is because rabies virus is a zoonotic disease, which means that both people and animals can be infected. In the United States, the animals that carry rabies are wildlife, including bats, foxes, skunks, and raccoons. Now, your furry friend, your cat or your dog, may live in the city, but these animals can be found in the city as well. Bats can live under busy bridges. Raccoons are notorious for getting into people's trash cans. And skunks and foxes are moving closer to people as their habitats shrink. So this means that your furry friend could have an encounter at any moment. And see, it's better to be safe than rabid.